How much crypto should you own? This is a very, very good question, and I wanted to make a video about not about what crypto you should own, but how much of it should you own, because no matter what type of crypto asset you own, the really important part is what a percentage of your portfolio you should have it. So crypto is just one of the most exciting asset classes that's attracting people who have never invested before. So I'm sure during the year 2017, when crypto had its breakout year, as far as just going mainstream, people for the first time have started putting their money in some sort of investment instrument. And during the beginning of 2018, crypto has fallen back to earth. It has bounced back a bit in late April, but it is one of those transformative assets that you should probably own over the next decade. But I would say don't own too much of it. And here's the reason why. When you have an asset that's very volatile, that could either go up 1,000% or go to zero, you don't need a lot of money to get the effects of that asset. And personally, I would not put more than 2% of my investable money in crypto. And that's because even if you believe in crypto and you believe it's going to become the reserve currency, and Bitcoin's going to go to 1 million and Ethereum is going to go up to 100,000 or whatever, you don't need to put a lot of your money into it to get rich off of crypto. And the fact is, if you put all your money into crypto and you get these 90% drawdowns, which you're going to get probably every 2 or 3 years, you won't have the stomach for it. You'll panic and sell. And it happens to everybody. Nobody's stronger than a volatile market. Even experienced hedge fund people lose their edge. So I would just put about 2%. And here's the reason why. If crypto is going to go up 50-fold or go to zero, if you own 2%, your money, your entire investment portfolio doubles. And crypto is a great hedge against cash. So, if crypto does become this reserve currency and cash becomes, or fiat currency becomes more worthless, you only need 2% to gain the positive effects and to counter the losses you would get on your fiat currency. And I just feel that people who put too much of their money in crypto are really not going to be able to deal with it. In fact, I heard this story about this one family who sold everything to buy Bitcoin, and I just think that's insane. They may become wealthy with that Bitcoin investment, but they're going to have to deal with seeing 90% of their wealth being eradicated every couple of years, and it's not worth losing sleep over. In fact, I always have this rule: if there's an investment you have and you're losing sleep over, if you're getting up at 2 in the morning to check the price of that asset, you own too much of that asset and you really need to scale down your position. So just to sum it up, crypto should be no more than 2% of your investment portfolio. If you're losing sleep over that investment, lower your position. And finally, you don't need a lot of money to get rich in crypto, just a little bit. Very wealthy people, they don't put 20% of their money into crypto. People like Peter Thiel or whatever, and billionaires like Mark Cuban, they just put 2%. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.